Hi, boys and girls. Today we are playing with sounds and letters. We will be speaking, listening, reading, and spelling. Today's sound stars are s, t, n, k, a, and I. Get ready. You will need writing paper, a pencil, one crayon, or marker. And the first thing we're going to do is see if you can guess the words. I will say the sounds, you put it together, and say the word. If you were right, put a plus on your paper. When we're finished, we'll count to see how many words you guessed. Listen and tell me what the word is. S, t, I, k. You are correct if you said the word was stick. Here's your next word. S, t, a, k. You are correct if you said the word was stack. Here's your next word. S, t, a, k. You are correct if you said the word was steak. Here's your next word. S, a, k. You are correct if you said the word was sake. Here's your next word. S, n, a, k. You are correct if you said the word was snake. Here's your next word. S, n, a, k. You are correct if you said the word was snack. Here's your next word. S, a, k. You are correct if you said the word was sack. Here's your next word. T, a, k. You are correct if you said the word was tack. Here's your next word. T, a, k. You are correct if you said the word was track. Here's your next word. T, I, k. You are correct if you said the word was trick. How many words did you get right? Count up your words and write that number on the back of your paper. Now get ready to track down those changing sounds. We will have sounds that are added, taken away, and sometimes they just change. You will be tracking those down to see where those sounds change from one word to the next. You will need writing paper with 10 lines on it, so you might need to get another piece of paper. You will not be writing letters this time. You will only be drawing circles and triangles. Circles for the consonants, like s, t, n, and k, and triangles for the vowels, like a, and I. And as you say the sounds, you will draw the shapes. Let me show you what I mean. Here you see that I have already written out some words here. Now you will not see the words when we do this. You will only hear them. And your job is to say each sound in the word and draw a circle or a triangle for those sounds. So let me show you what I mean. Tick, t, I, k, tick. The next word is tack, t, a, k. Now I have tick and tack. One sound is different between the two. Which one was it? T, t, tick, tack. I, a, tick, tack. This is it right here. So I color that one. The next word is track. T, a, k. Now I have 4 sounds. That means I've added a sound. Where did I add it? Well, I think it might be right here because I didn't have 2 circles at the beginning before. T, a, k, t, a. Yep, there's my vowel over here. So I color the second sound. It's a new sound. Track, rack. Okay. A. Whoops. That won't work because that's a circle. I think ack, a. We have a sound missing here. Rack, a, k. I think this is t. This isn't. This is This is t. This sound is not an This is the ack, ack. T is missing. I'm going to put an X here because it's gone. So when a sound is gone, we just put an X on it to show that it's missing. We will be taking sounds out, putting them in, and changing them. So if you're ready, let's begin. When you're finished, we will show you what it's supposed to look like, and you can match your pictures to mine. Now we're going to begin. Your first word is stick. Say each sound in the word stick. Draw circles and triangles for the sounds. The next word is stack. Your next word is steak. Remember to color in when the sound changes. Stick, stack, stack, steak. Number 1 was stick. Number 2 was stack. Number 3 was steak. Number 4 is sake. Uh-oh. What happened here? How many sounds are there? Number 5 is snake. Look what happened. How many sounds are there? Number 6 is snack. Number 7 is sack. Number 8 is tack. Number 9 is track. And number 10 is trick. I'm going to go back and tell you again. Stick was number 1 and stack was number 2. One sound changed. you should have one sound colored in number 2. Number 3 was steak. Again, one sound colored in number 3. Number 4 was sake. Oops, one sound is gone. Number 5 is snake. We have a new sound. Number 6, snack. A sound changed. Number 7, sack. Another sound's gone. Number 8, tack. A sound changed. Number 9, track. We added a sound. And number 10, trick. A sound changed. And here you can see what it looks like when you're done. In number 1, there was nothing colored because we don't. Number 2, we have the vowel colored. Number 3, the vowel is colored. Number 4, we have an X because the sound left. Number 5, we colored with sound coming back in again. Number 6, we colored the vowel because it changed. Number 7, we have an X for the sound left. Number 8, we have an X and we colored a sound coming back in. Number 9, we changed the sound. And number 10, we colored the vowel because it changed. Count yours up and see how you did. Give yourself all the points that you got right. Now we're going to read the words. Take a look at this first word. The word is stick. Notice that the vowel is short, and we have a CK there because of the short vowel. The next word is stack. Again, we have a short vowel and a CK. Steak. Long vowel, we put an E on the end. Sake. Again, we have a long vowel. Snake. Snack. Sack. Tack. Track. And trick. Did you get them all right? I'll bet you did. Next, we will be spelling and writing the words. So, you might need to get another piece of paper. Stop the video if you need to. Take a piece of paper and put numbers 1 through 10 on it, just like you would if your teacher was giving you a spelling test. You have been tracking these sounds, reading them, and blending them together up to now. I'm sure you can spell these quite easily now. Let's see how you do. Number 1 is stick. Write the word stick. Now it will help if you say each sound at the same time that you write the letter. Stick. Number 2 is stack. Number 3 is stake, like you drive a stake into the ground when you're putting up your tent. Number 4 is sake, like, oh, for Pete's sake, did I drop something? Sake. Number 5 is snake, like a critter that crawls on the ground. Snake. Number 6 is snack. Is it time for a snack? Number 7 is sack. Number 8 is tack. Number 9 is track. And number 10 is trick. Now I'm going to go back through and read them one more time so that you can check to make sure you have all the words. But I'll go a little faster this time. Number 1 was stick. Number 2 was stack. Number 3 was steak. Number 4 was sake. Number 5 was snake. Number 6 was snack. Number 7 was sack. Number 8 was tack. Number 9 was track. And number 10 was trick. Go ahead and make any changes that you feel you need to make. And then we will check your papers. Stop the video if you need to. Here is where you can check your words to see how you did. Look at each word and check the way it's spelled here against the way you spelled it. Then count up how many you got right. I'll bet you did a great job. Next, we will be writing sentences. Listen carefully as I read you the sentences. The first sentence is, number 1, put the stick by the stack in the back. There are only 5 sentences, so take your time, stop the video if you need to. Number 2 was, oh, for Pete's sake. It is just a small snake. Number 3 is, here is a trick I saw at the track. Number 4 is, put a steak in the tent. Number 5 is, I have a sack for the tack. Now, I gave those to you a little quickly. I want you to go back, stop the video, and listen to them one more time. You can always rewind it a little bit. I'm going to read them one more time so you can check. Number 1 was, put the stick by the stack in the back. Number 2 was, oh, for Pete's sake. It is just a small snake. Number 3 was, here is a trick I saw at the track. Number 4 was, put a steak in the tent. And number 5 was, I have a sack for the tack. Okay. Pause the video till you're finished, and then I will show you all the answers. Here are your sentences. Check each of your sentences against the words here. And you can see that I've added up all the words that you wrote, and I've even given you a score. So if you spelled 37 of them correctly, you had 90%. 34 was 85%. You can give yourself a grade.